Hi, I'm Jen Amos at Weiss Research.
I'm Andy Myers, and this is your morning market update for Wednesday, March 2nd. Stocks on Wall Street opened relatively flat following yesterday's big sell-off, but the global markets are falling again as oil prices put more pressure on equities. Right now, light sweet crude is jumping back above $100 a barrel, amid fears that the unrest in North Africa and the Middle East will disrupt oil supplies from the region. The uprising in Libya has effectively split that country in two, with rebels holding the East Coast ports where much of the country's oil is refined or shipped abroad. Oil output from Libya has declined sharply in the past couple weeks, and investors are concerned that if energy prices remain this high, it could pose a threat to worldwide economic growth. The commodities rally is extending to gold as well. It's trading at another record high around $1,435 an ounce.
Investors are also digesting some news on the labor market ahead of Friday's government jobs report. According to Automatic Data Processing, private sector employers added 217,000 new workers to their payrolls last month. The number was better than economists were expecting, and the pace of hiring seems to be picking up as well. From December through February, the average gain was more than 200,000, compared with just 60,000 over the prior 6 months. However, a separate report showed that the number of planned job cuts announced by U.S. companies last month rose to almost 51,000. The reading from outplacement firm Challenger, Gray & Christmas was the highest since last March and up 20% from a year ago. Economists expect that Friday's official employment report will show 180,000 non-farm jobs added to payrolls during February, and the unemployment rate likely ticked up to 9.1%.
Among today's stock movers is MetLife. The insurance giant is falling more than 3% after announcing that it plans to sell more than 68 million shares of its common stock to the public. A subsidiary of American International Group is also selling its shares in MetLife, which will help AIG repay the massive government bailout it got in 2008. On the other side of the spectrum today is Yahoo. It's jumping 3.5%, making it the best performer on the S&P 500. The Wall Street Journal reported that the internet firm is considering a sale of its 30% stake in Yahoo Japan. SoftBank, Yahoo's partner in the joint venture, already owns 41.9% of the company, but says it has no intention of buying out Yahoo's stake.
Finally, keep an eye on Apple today. It's preparing to unveil a new version of its iPad tablet computer at an event in San Francisco today. According to multiple reports, the new model will be lighter, thinner, and faster than the original iPad, and include a camera to enable video chat. Apple shares are rising in early trade. That's the latest from Weiss Research. Have a great trading day.